Welcome back to Squawk on the Street. Take a look at Elon Musk's tweets from over the weekend, clarifying some speculation, Jim, that he had instructed Tesla to sell some Bitcoin. He had tweeted in response to another tweet the word indeed about how frustrated he must be about the Bitcoin community. Just a reminder of how much the market cap overall is being swayed by really one-word tweets from one man.
Yeah, this has become kind of a little bit comic.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. The entire cryptocurrency market is down. Bitcoin dropped from 40K all the way down to $30,000 in a matter of minutes. But if you thought that the bull market is over, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe, let's get to it. So historically, in a bull market, no matter how low Bitcoin goes, it never goes below its previous all-time highs. Back in 2013 in December, Bitcoin for the first time touches $1,000. It retraces back down to 80%, and it took Bitcoin 3 years up until the beginning of 2017 to hit $1,000 again. After that, Bitcoin never went below $1,000. It 20x from there, going from $1,000 all the way up to $20,000. In between a couple of 30 and 40% correction, but Bitcoin never went back down below $1,000. Fast forward to the end of 2017, where Bitcoin hits $20,000, retraces back down 80%, and it took Bitcoin a few more years before it hits 20K again towards the end of 2020, just a few months ago. After Bitcoin hit 20K, it never went back down under $20,000. In fact, Bitcoin went all the way up to $65,000 before retracing, and that is what we are witnessing right now. So it is safe to say that based on historical charts, Bitcoin can never go below 20K again, no matter how low we go. Crypto analyst Michael Vanderpop is stating that he is now looking to see if Bitcoin can close above the $38,000 level after this correction, stating that what I am expecting to see on this daily candle for BTC is that we are going to have a deep wick, and that deep wick usually ends with sideways action or a very fast bounce, and that is happening right now. So it might be that we are going to have a bounce above the $38,000 level or even 40K and close above that critical level. If that happens, then I think the correction is over and we are going to continue our bull rally. Does it look scary? Yes, of course. Even Ethereum is all the way back down, and it dropped even further from where it was just a couple days ago. The second crypto analyst is the top trader Tone Vays. He is stating that the pain will likely continue in the short term, but he believes that the sharp sell-off could set the stage for Bitcoin to rise above $100,000 by the end of this year. This correction is happening early enough in the year to get us over $100,000 by the end of this year, so it's not all bad. From a technical standpoint, we still have 2 to 3 more weeks of going sideways, and out of those 2 and 3 weeks, this might be the worst week, so the worst is behind us already. The analyst Scott Melker is also stating that the crazy volatility is likely not over yet, but it will be. He goes on to say that it's a lot deeper than I thought it would go, and I think that even the case for the bears, they did not see this coming. Therefore, I'm going to imagine that we are going to see some smoke clearing out after this. It's going to be somewhat insane because there's a very good chance that what we just witnessed is massive liquidation. But despite all of this, Melker believes that the bull cycle remains intact and is not over yet. The analyst Josh Raja is stating that he is buying the dip. In fact, he even purchased smart contract asset Solana along with some Bitcoin and Ethereum, going on to say that as a reminder, I will cut my positions if needed. Always do what's best for you. A lot of people are talking about buying the dip on social media. That's cool, but always be ready to exit the market if needed. You do what's best for you, don't listen to others. Pampliano goes on to tweet that every bull market has to indoctrinate the new class of crypto enthusiasts. Therefore, volatility is the name of the game. Michael Celia also tweeted that entities I control have now acquired 111,000 BTC and have not sold a single Satoshi. Hashtag Bitcoin forever. He goes on to say that he who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow, quoting Friedrich Nietzsche. Adam Back, on the other hand, retweeted a John Wick tweet who stated that we had a 40% drop followed by another 40% drop back in 2017, and we still continued going as high as $20,000 from our $1,000 starting point back in 2017. And both times was crazy. Everyone thought it was over, but it was not. So in conclusion, buy the dip. This bull rally is not over. This is absolutely normal for Bitcoin to do. The entire cryptocurrency market lost $400 billion, but as you can see, it is already recovering. Retail needs to know that every time a panic sale happens, institutions and whales are buying the dip. That explains the reason why every time we drop, almost instantaneously we start to go back up. So hodl, as the future is bright for crypto. What are your thoughts on a 45% price correction for Bitcoin? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.